Welcome to the first lesson. In the introduction, we learn what an atom is, and the other thing we'll be looking up into this in this lesson. All right. The learning objective for this lesson is we should be able to state three subatomic particles at the end of this lesson, and we should be able to describe the key features of the subatomic particles. Let's get it started. All right. Atoms, by proper definition. Atom is the smallest indivisible part of an element. The smallest indivisible part of an element. Atoms are the basic unit, like I said, the basic unit of matter and the defining structure of elements. It is the one that defines the structure. It is the building block. So atoms, like I said, the building block of everything, atoms are made from only one type of atom, which means gold is made up of gold atoms. Oxygen is made up of oxygen atoms, both of which are completely specific and unique to the element. Oxygen is unique, gold is unique on its own way. So you have a typical example here. A gold bar is made purely of gold atoms. A gold bar is made purely of gold atoms. Alright, let's also look at the subatomic particles. An atom is composed of three subatomic particles, which are proton, neutron, and electron. These are the three subatomic particles. Now let's look into them one after the other. Alright, proton is positively charged. They are positively charged. They are located in the nucleus of an atom. We can see they are located in the nucleus. See what a proton is? This one with positive. Okay, they are located in the nucleus of an atom, and they are known to have a relative weight of 1. A relative weight of 1. Alright, let's look at neutron. Neutron, on the other hand, they are neutral, no charge. They are neither positively charged nor negatively charged. They are neutral, and they are located in the nucleus. So which means they are located around the what? The proton. Both the neutron and the proton, they are inside the nucleus. They are known to have a relative weight of 1. Alright, then to the third and most important subatomic particle, which is electron. Electrons are negatively charged. They are located at the atomic shell around the nucleus, that is the orbiter. They orbit around, they are always moving around the nucleus. They are always moving around the nucleus via the orbiter. They are known to have a relative weight of 0, also classed as negligible weight. Know that a weight of 0 is negligible. Alright, we still have to discuss more things about the electron. Apart from the fact that it's negatively charged and that is located on the atomic shell, that is the orbiter, around the nucleus. Electron, on the other hand, are extremely lightweight. Like I said, they exist in a cloud orbiting the nucleus. So, like a kind of cloud, an imaginary line orbit around the nucleus. That's where they exist. The electron cloud has a radius of 10,000 times greater than the nucleus. Remember in the previous video, I said if the nucleus is a P, then electron or the orbit will be a football stadium. So electrons are located in shells, also called energy level. Atoms can have multiple shells. Now, for example, 2 electrons can occupy the first shell, That one is called the duplet rule. The duplet rule. We call it the duplet rule. Please kindly permit me to use this. The duplet, D-U-P-L-E-T, the duplet rule. Now, the duplet rule is the one that states that two electrons can only occupy the first shell, which is the first energy level. Now, any other energy level aside the first energy level can contain 8 electrons, which means the first energy level, the first electron shell, can only take maximum of 2 electrons, while all other energy level aside the first energy level can take the maximum of 8 electrons. So 8 electrons can occupy the second shell and 8 electrons can occupy the third shell and all other subsequent shell. The earlier shell must be filled before the next shell can be occupied. So which means the first shell must be filled before you fill the second shell, not that you fill the second shell before the first cell. Now, a simple recap of everything we have done. I said atom is the smallest part of matter. They are indivisible and unique for different elements. Atom of gold is made up of atom of gold. Hydrogen is made up of atoms of hydrogen. Sulfur is made up of atoms of sulfur. Okay, and I said there are 3 subatomic particles, which are the proton, the neutron, and the electron. The proton is located in the nucleus. It is positively charged and relative weight of 1. Neutron is neutral. It's located in the nucleus as well, just like the proton, no charge and the relative weight of 1. Electron, like I said, electron is located in the shell. That's around the orbital, orbiting the nucleus. Alright, it is negatively charged and it is very, very light in weight. Thank you, and I believe now you have learned about the atomic structure. Please attend the questions that follow this lesson and make sure you join the next lesson. Thank you.